All right, I'm back at Harbor Freight, and in this video, I'm going to go over the top deals you should consider going for this upcoming April Spring Black Friday event they're having that's starting April 6th for ITC members through the 9th, and then everyone else is April 10th through the 13th. I'm going to be going over the top deals you should consider that's $30 and under. And I'm not going to be including deals that you're not saving at least 30% on items that are $20 and under, because you can at least wait until they do a 30% off deal on the 20 and under for the ITC members. So we'll be picking out items that have better savings than that. And I am going to start off with some Braun lights to consider. When you save 40% off on all Braun lights, it's an excellent time to pick up some, especially ones that are going to be under the $30 mark. First one I'm going to recommend is on the Braun 500 lumen slim bar work light. It is rechargeable with a USB-C port, a battery that you can change out for other batteries. This is a very popular light, and it's going to be a great deal at 18 bucks when it's normally $30. So time to pick one of those up. This is comparable to the Icon one. It's just not as bright, but I think it's just as popular as the Icon. I do have both lights, and they're both great. So definitely an awesome deal on the Braun to save the $12 on that. All right, the next Braun light would be the newer one to the market is on the Braun 500 lumen portable folding LED work light. It has a runtime of up to 14 and a half hours and a range up to 90 feet. It has a magnetic base. It does swivel, so you can put it underneath the hood and light up your workspace. And it is water resistant with the IP56 rating. That's normally priced at 22 bucks. And the next popular light to consider is on the Pocket Floodlight. It's 750 lumens. It's a 3-in-1. It has high, medium, and low modes to it. It is rechargeable through USB-C and has a magnetic base to it as well. And it swivels, so you can angle the direction of the light you need it to go in. It is offered in 4 different colors of the green, blue, red, and yellow. The retail price on that is 30 bucks. It is currently on an ITC deal for 24, but definitely better time to save the 40% on it and get it for 18 bucks. And the next Braun light I'd recommend is on the 6,000 lumen Spotlight. It has a range of up to 1,600 feet, a runtime of up to 36 hours and 30 minutes. Of course, that would be on low mode. It offers 5 different modes of the high, medium, low, flash, and SOS. It has even a little kickstand so you can prop it up. It is waterproof and rechargeable. I've seen many good reviews on this light. It comes highly regarded. It is only priced at $50, so saving that 40% on it would come in right at the $30 mark. Now, I know this next one's not going to meet the $30 and under criteria, but it's going to be an honorable mention. It's going to be on the popular Braun 1000 lumen tactical rail mount LED light. This is another popular light by Braun, and you can mount it to your Freedom seed dispenser. It is priced at 60 bucks, so it would be $36 with that 40% off. So again, it is above that $30 threshold, but just wanted to mention it. And then one more Braun light recommendation would be on the brand new to market, the 1000 lumen slim headlamp. It offers a runtime up to 28 hours, a range up to 130 feet, has a 210-degree beam field of view, and you can use it on a hard hat or directly on your head. And that retails at 30 bucks, so you'll be able to pick that up for $18. It's going to be an excellent deal on it. Also offers adjustable light modes of high, medium, and low, and it's rechargeable via USB-C. And if you're getting any value from this video, I would appreciate that you do give it a thumbs up and consider hyping the video if you're on a mobile device. Help spread the word to other tool deal enthusiasts like you. And also consider subscribing if you're not already for these tool deal videos. It's free to subscribe, and I do have a goal to get to 50,000 subscribers. And when the channel reaches that goal, I'll be doing a giveaway of 5 Icon Meme 2.0 toolkits that are the SAE and metric sockets that's included in that kit. It's an awesome kit. So I'll be doing that giveaway when the channel reaches 50K subscribers, and I really do appreciate that support. Let's move to the next deal now. The next item I'd recommend picking up for the under $30 would be on the Bauer 600-pound folding steel sawhorse. So if you're looking for a basic set of sawhorses, this might be a decent pickup for you. And if you get 2 of them, it will have the rating of up to 1,200 pounds. So you could easily set like a sheet of plywood on it like they show here in the picture and create like a work surface. And they do fold up nice and compact, easy storage and transportation. It has a handle there built on the top. So I have similar style sawhorses to these, and they come in handy, especially being so compact like they are. And these are normally priced at 25 bucks. And then during the sale, you'll be able to pick them up for $20. So it is saving 5 bucks. It is 20% off It's a decent deal though, at only $20 each. All right, the next general deal is going to be probably the most popular deal on this upcoming sale, and that is saving 35% off on all Doyle, Icon, and Quinn screwdrivers and pliers. In this video, I'm going to cover a couple of them that I'm going to definitely recommend you pick up. And that's going to be the first one is on the pliers wrench by Icon, the 10-inch version that were modeled right after the Knipex version. I have these pliers and they are awesome. So they are normally priced at $40, and saving that 35%, you'd be able to pick them up for $26. It's an excellent deal on these. But then the same thing goes for the 9-inch ones, the long nose slip joint 9-inch pliers. Again, those are priced at $30. So you'd be able to pick these up for $19.50. It's going to be an awesome deal on these, especially if you get your hands on them. It is a popular set of pliers that were modeled after the snap-on version, and many people love them. I love mine, and they are great. Definitely well worth the $19.50 without a doubt. And it's even worth the $30 price it's normally at. And of course, there's many other options to choose from between the Icon, Doyle, and Quinn pliers and screwdriver sets, especially to be under that $30 mark. The most expensive ones are around the $40 mark, so you'd still pick them up for less than $30. All right, the next deal to consider is on the Merlin 3/8 by 50-foot air hose. It's a rubber one with a max PSI of 300. It's ultra durable, ideal for any job. The thread size is 1/4 inch, 18 MPT, and it can operate in a temperature of -20 to 165 Fahrenheit. The retail price is $25. You can save 40% on this air hose, making it $15. So that'd be an excellent deal on this hose. All right, the next good deal to consider is on the Merlin 20-piece heavy-duty air compressor accessory kit. So it comes with a good variety of different air nozzles and air inflator, air blower, blowgun accessories, and even different male and female plugs, and then the couplers as well, in addition to the hose that it comes with. This is a newer item out they mentioned on the ad, and it is normally priced at $27, and you'll be able to save 37% on that, making it only $17. It's going to be an excellent deal on this kit. And the next excellent deal to consider is on the Central Pneumatic HVLP gravity feed spray gun. They obviously don't have it here on display with the top container that would attach to it. It is made of an aluminum body. It offers a basic spray pattern with the 1.4 millimeter tip size to it. The retail is normally at $17, but you can save 47% on that, making it $9. So it'll be an excellent deal. And I've seen reviews on it. It's actually pretty decent reviews for whatever people use it for on the different spray projects. Wouldn't necessarily do a car with it, but might be a good option for other materials. All right, the next item I can see selling out pretty quick during this sale. It's going to be on the Icon locking flex head and ratchet bit set. This is the Meme 1.0 toolkit. Comes in a nice hard plastic case to store all the bits and the ratchet in, and the extension to it. So this 35-piece set does include all these different bits and pieces to it. It's a great little ratchet, and it has a pass-through on the ratchet, so you can make it like a T-handle version to create additional torque on the end of the ratchet to twist bits and fasteners. It's an awesome kit. I do recommend it. I have one myself, and it's great to store in my tool bag, and it's easy transportation. And something like this basically replaced my need for hex key sets because it has the hex bits in it as well. Well, this does normally retail at $40, and you'll be able to save 30% on that, making it $28. It's gonna be an excellent pickup there if you can get your hands on it. I highly recommend this set. And the next good deal to consider is on the Bauer 2-piece of the step drill bit set, the number 4 and number 5. So it has 12 hole sizes from 3/16 to 7/8 on the one, and the other one is 11 hole sizes from 1/4 inch to 1 3/8. It has a 3/8 shaft to it, so you can only use it in drills only. It's not a 1/4 inch hex shank like some of the other bits have. This will be good for drilling into metal, plastic, and wood. It's normally priced at $30, and you can save 33% on that, making it $19.99, which is a good deal on them. And the next good deal to consider is going to be on the Icon multi-spline extractor set. It's a 15-piece set that has these different sizes, and it comes with a hard plastic case to store everything in. And my view is if you don't have a need, it's better to have it than not need it than to need it and not have it, especially at this price, because it's normally priced at $50, and you can save 50% on that, making it $25. So it's an excellent deal on it. And the next item I'm going to recommend picking up is on the Grant's 1200 watt handheld steam cleaner kit. It heats over to 200 Fahrenheit. It has 11.5 ounce water tank, and it comes with 11 multi-surface accessories, which this is all the accessories that it does include. Offers a quick warm-up time. This is a decent little steamer if you're in the market for one. It is normally priced at $40. You can save 37% on that, making it only $25. It's going to be an excellent deal on it. I did pick up one of these during another parking lot sale where I saved 50% on it, but it's still a good deal, saving the 37% on it. The next awesome deal to consider is on the 30 cal ammo box. It's the plastic one, holds up to 6 to 8 boxes of the standard ammo, the 30 caliber. It is normally priced at $6, and you can save 50% on that, making it only $3. It's an excellent deal. And yes, we have seen in the past they've given these away during a free item weekend, but without a doubt, if you need more ammo boxes, then excellent deal at $3. And the next good pickup would be on this US General 18-inch magnetic tool holder. So something like this would be great to attach to like a workbench or even a wall to be able to magnetically hold tools to it. I have a few of these myself and they work pretty good. It is only priced at $5 each, and you can save 63% on that, making it $1.84. It's going to be an excellent deal on this. And the next awesome deal to consider is going to be on this Bauer 2.8 amp 5-inch random orbit sander. It is variable speed, comes with a 6-foot power cord, and the variable speed is from 0 to 13,000 orbits per minute. The retail price is at $40, and this would be the time you could save 50% on that, making only $20. So it would be a good pickup. And based on some of the viewers' comments in my previous videos, I mentioned this is actually a pretty good sander for that money, and it comes highly recommended. And if you happen to miss my previous spring Black Friday sale videos, I'll be sure to link up above the latest one I did. And if you happen to have a corner detail sander, they're going to be running an excellent deal on the Hercules corner detail sanding sheets. It is available in the 80, 120, and 220 grit. They're normally priced at $7 each, and you'll be able to save 43% on that, making it $3.98. It's going to be an excellent deal on them. And they have a ceramic coating to them, so it's multi-surface that you can use it on, of paint, wood, metal, plastic, and drywall. It's designed for use with the corner detail sanders and even oscillating multi-tools with the standing attachment to it. And they also have the hook and loop backing to them as well. So I think it's an excellent deal, excellent time to be able to save that 43% on them and make it only $4. And I know this next item might be controversial because it's a hit or miss with people. It's on the Warrior 1500 watt dual temperature heat gun, and it's going to be, normal price is $20 on it, and you'll be able to save 50% on that, making it only $10. So it's going to be an excellent deal on it. And I can tell you, I've had this heat gun for probably just over a year now, and it's been pretty solid for me. It does pretty decent. I've only used it maybe a dozen times or so, but it performs very well each time I had to use it, so I have no problems with it. I think it's an excellent deal at only $10. You really can't beat that. And the next deal, they're already out of stock at this store. It's on the 7-foot 4 by 9-foot 6 blue tarp. It's the light duty one at 4 mil thick, normally priced at $5.49. And if your store has them in stock, you'll be able to save 46% on that, making it only $2.92. It's gonna be an excellent deal on the tarp. All right, those are going to be my top deals I'm going to recommend for items under $30 for this April Spring Black Friday event at Harbor Freight. And if there's a deal you think I should have included in this list, be sure to let me know down in the comments below. If you gain any value from it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more deal videos like this. It's free to subscribe and help me get to that goal of 50,000 subscribers so I can give away those 5 Icon Meme 2.0 toolkits. I really do appreciate that support. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.